Welcome to the Products Review channel. Today we will talk about the wonderful phone, the Poco X7 Pro. Let's get started. The smartphone market is more competitive than ever. Standing out from the crowd takes something special. Enter the Poco X7 Pro, a budget-friendly smartphone with big ambitions. This device aims to deliver a premium experience without the premium price tag. But can it truly compete with the heavy hitters in its class? The Poco X7 Pro targets users who crave performance, features, and style without breaking the bank. We're talking gamers, photographers, and everyday users who demand the best value for their money. In this review, we'll dive deep into the Poco X7 Pro, exploring its strengths, weaknesses, and how it stacks up against the competition. Get ready because things are about to get interesting. Let's see if the Poco X7 Pro is worthy of your hard-earned cash. First impressions matter, and the Poco X7 Pro makes a statement right out of the box. It boasts a sleek and modern design that feels anything but cheap. The phone is crafted with a combination of glass and metal, giving it a premium look and feel. The back panel features a subtle gradient finish that catches the light beautifully. It's available in a range of eye-catching colors to suit your style. Despite its large screen, the phone feels comfortable to hold thanks to its curved edges and slim profile. It is 160.75 inches long, 75.24 inches wide, and only 8.29 inches thick. However, the Poco X7 Pro is not lightweight, weighing in at around 195, but this weight adds to its solid and well-built feel. And for those who prioritize durability, the phone boasts an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. So go ahead, take it on your adventures without worry. The Poco X7 Pro has a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display. Not only is this screen large, but it's also designed to captivate your senses with its vibrant colors and deep contrast. AMOLED technology ensures that each pixel is individually illuminated, delivering true blacks and infinite contrast ratio. This makes every photo and video appear lifelike clarity. This isn't your average screen. When you compare it to other smartphones in the market, the difference is immediately noticeable. The Poco X7 Pro stands out with its superior brightness and color accuracy, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're under the bright sun or in a dimly lit room, the display adapts to provide the best viewing experience. We're talking about a resolution of 1220 x 2712 pixels, which delivers clear, vibrant images. This high resolution ensures that every detail is sharp and clear, whether you're viewing photos, watching videos, or reading text. The pixel density is so high that you won't be able to see individual pixels, giving you a smooth and seamless visual experience. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching your favorite shows, or gaming on the go, the experience is nothing short of immersive. The large screen size combined with the high resolution makes every activity more enjoyable. Social media feeds look more engaging, videos are more cinematic, and games are more immersive. The Poco X7 Pro truly enhances your digital life. But it gets even better. The Poco X7 Pro is not just about looks, it's also about performance. The screen boasts a 120 Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth animations and scrolling. This high refresh rate means that every swipe, scroll, and animation is incredibly fluid. It's a feature that once experienced, is hard to live without. Whether you're navigating through apps, browsing the web, or playing games, the smoothness is palpable. Trust me, once you go 120 Hz, you'll never want to go back. The difference is night and day. It's like upgrading from a standard definition TV to a high definition one. Everything feels more responsive and immediate, making your interactions with the phone more enjoyable and efficient. And for those who enjoy HDR content, the Poco X7 Pro supports HDR 10+ and Dolby Vision, delivering a wider range of colors and deeper blacks. This means that HDR movies and shows look absolutely stunning on this device. The colors are more vibrant, the highlights are brighter, and the shadows are deeper. It's like having a mini cinema in your pocket. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, the strongest Gorilla Glass ever. This advanced glass technology provides exceptional durability and scratch resistance, ensuring your screen stays clean even with daily use. This means your screen is well protected from scratches and drops. Accidental drops and bumps are a part of life, but with Gorilla Glass Victus, you can have peace of mind knowing that your screen can withstand the rigors of everyday use. Overall, the Poco X7 Pro's screen is a winner, offering a premium viewing experience that rivals flagships costing twice as much. It combines cutting-edge technology with practical durability, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality smartphone display. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, the Poco X7 Pro's display will not disappoint. It's a visual feast for the eyes, delivering an unparalleled viewing experience that sets a new standard in the smartphone industry. Section 4. Performance powering through everyday tasks. In today's fast-paced world, having a smartphone that can keep up with your daily demands is crucial. Whether you're a professional juggling multiple tasks, a student managing assignments, or just someone who loves to stay connected, the Poco X7 Pro is designed to power through everyday tasks effortlessly. Under the hood, the Poco X7 Pro is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra processor. This advanced chipset is the heart of the device, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. It's not just about speed, it's about delivering a seamless experience no matter what you do. It's a gigantic chip, capable of handling the most demanding tasks with ease. From running multiple applications simultaneously to handling high-performance benchmarks, the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra processor ensures that your phone remains fast and responsive. Whether you're multitasking between apps, editing videos, or playing graphically intensive games, the Poco X7 Pro can keep up. Imagine editing a high-resolution video while streaming music and chatting with friends, all without a hitch. The Poco X7 Pro makes this possible, providing a smooth and lag-free experience. The phone comes with 8 GB and 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance and fast app loading times. This large amount of RAM means that you can switch between apps without any noticeable lag, making your smartphone experience smoother and more enjoyable. You have the option of 256 GB or 512 GB of internal storage space, which should be enough for most users. This large storage capacity allows you to store all your photos, videos, apps, and files without constantly worrying about running out of space. However, it should be noted that there is no option for expandable storage. Although the internal storage options are great, the Poco X7 Pro runs on Android 15 with MIUI 15 on top. This combination brings the latest features and security updates from Android, along with the unique enhancements and customizations that MIUI offers. MIUI is known for its customization options and additional features. You can tweak almost every aspect of the user interface to suit your preferences, from the way your home screen looks to the gestures you use to navigate the phone. They offer a high level of customization. The pre-installed apps and features may seem overwhelming at first, but they offer a rich set of tools and options that can enhance your smartphone experience. From themes to gesture controls, you can tailor the software experience to your liking. Whether you prefer a minimalist look or a vibrant, feature-rich interface, MIUI allows you to make your phone truly yours. The Poco X7 Pro is not just a device, it's a companion that adapts to your lifestyle, making everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. Section 5. Cameras, capturing life's moments with clarity. Let's talk cameras. In today's world, our smartphones have become our go-to devices for capturing memories, and the quality of the camera can make all the difference. The Poco X7 Pro features a dual camera setup on the back. This setting is designed to provide versatile, high-quality images no matter the scenario. The star of the show is the 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, or OIS. This high-resolution sensor ensures your photos are full of detail, and OIS helps keep those details sharp, even when your hands aren't perfectly still. OIS is a game-changer, especially in low-light conditions, as it helps to reduce blur and produce sharper images. Imagine capturing a beautiful cityscape at night or a cozy indoor scene without worrying about shaky hands ruining the shot. Alongside the main camera, you'll find an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera for capturing sweeping landscapes and group photos. This lens is perfect for those moments when you want to fit more into the frame, whether it's a breathtaking view or a large gathering of friends and family. There's also a 2-megapixel macro camera for getting up close and personal with small subjects. This camera allows you to explore the tiny details of the world around you, from the intricate patterns on a flower petal to the texture of a piece of fabric. The camera app is packed with features, including a Pro mode for manual controls, a dedicated night mode, and various AI-powered shooting modes. The Pro mode gives you the freedom to adjust settings like ISO, shutter speed, and white balance, allowing you to get creative with your photography. On the front, there's a 20-megapixel selfie camera housed in a punch hole cutout at the top of the display. This camera is designed to capture your best angles, whether you're snapping a quick selfie or video calling with friends and family. This camera captures detailed selfies and supports portrait mode for those bokeh-licious shots. The portrait mode uses advanced algorithms to blur the background, making you the star of the photo with a professional-looking bokeh effect. Overall, the Poco X7 Pro's camera system is impressive for its price, offering versatility and the ability to capture stunning photos and videos in various situations. Whether you're an amateur photographer or just someone who loves to document life's moments, this smartphone has the tools you need to do it with clarity and style. From the high-resolution main camera to the specialized lenses and feature-rich camera app, the Poco X7 Pro is equipped to handle all your photography needs. So go ahead, capture those moments, and let your creativity shine. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on what makes the Poco X7 Pro a standout in the budget smartphone market. From its sleek design and robust build to its vibrant display, this device is a visual delight. It effortlessly powers through everyday tasks, ensuring that you stay productive and connected throughout your day. The cameras on the Poco X7 Pro truly set it apart, capturing life's moments with impressive clarity and detail. Whether you're snapping photos of a stunning landscape, a group of friends, or a close-up of nature's wonders, this smartphone has the tools to bring your creativity to life. In summary, the Poco X7 Pro stands out as a remarkable budget smartphone for 2025. Its combination of stylish design, solid performance, and versatile camera system offers exceptional value for its price. If you're in the market for a new smartphone that doesn't break the bank but delivers on all fronts, the Poco X7 Pro is definitely worth considering. Thank you for joining us in this review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the latest tech. See you in the next video.